Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies easy recipe full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather 1 cup butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, and 1 cup chocolate chips. Mix wet and dry ingredients separately, then combine until just blended. Chill dough for 30 minutes to prevent spreading and use a cookie scoop for even portions. Warm welcome, I'll walk you through every step so your cookies come out soft and golden. Start by creaming butter and sugar until light, then add eggs and vanilla. Gradually add dry ingredients and fold with chocolate chips, mixing only until combined. Chill, scoop, and bake on a lined sheet for 10 to 12 minutes. Let cookies rest on the pan to finish cooking and set their shape. I'll share simple tweaks to get the exact cookie you love, whether chewier or crispier. For chewier cookies, use more brown sugar and slightly underbake. For crispier results, flatten dough balls before baking. Swap in dark chocolate or add a pinch of flaky salt on top for contrast. Always cool briefly on the sheet, then transfer to a rack for full cooling so textures firm up perfectly and flavors deepen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.